In this video, I'm going to show you how to select range in Excel VBA. I will explain 3 types of range selection. Number 1, selecting the range in active sheet. Number 2, selecting range in a specific sheet. Number 3, selecting range in a sheet that contains data. Suppose that you have to select B1 to E10 range of active sheet. The code will be range B1 to E10, .select. Click on the Run button. And here you see the range has been selected. Let's learn the code for selecting range in a specific sheet. Suppose you have to select the A2 to D5 range of sheet AB. In this case, you have to first activate the sheet AB, then select the range. For this, the code will be sheets AB.activate, range A2 to D5 .select. If you run this code, A2 to D5 range of sheet AB will be selected. Next is selecting the range that has data. For this, let me go to this EF sheet. Here I have some data in A1 to B8. To dynamically select the range that has data, the code will be ActiveSheet.UsedRange.select. If you run this code, the range that has data gets selected. So, that was about selecting the range in Excel VBA. Thank you so much for watching this video.